Hi, friends. Welcome to Toddler Learning ABC, where we learn and play.
A is for airplane, flies high in the sky, what a sight. B is for balloon, so colorful and light, floating up with a push, a cheerful delight. C is for cat, curled up by the fire, purring so softly, warmth to admire. D is for dolphin, leaping in the sea, dancing through waves, wild and free. E is for elephant, trunk swinging strong, stomping through jungles, it marches along. F is for firefly, glowing at night, tiny bright lanterns that flicker with light. G is for giraffe, stretching up high, munching on leaves that touch the blue sky. H is for horse, galloping free, mane flowing wild as it races with glee. I is for ice, sparkling and cold, shaping the world in a frosty hole. J is for jellyfish, drifting in motion, a ghostly dance in the deep blue ocean. Soaring on the breeze, dipping and swirling with effortless ease. L is for lion, king with roar, ruling the savannah forevermore. M is for moon, glowing so slow, casting soft silver on all below. Nest, cozy and small, cradling eggs till the fledglings call. O is for owl, silent and wise, watching the woods with golden eyes. P is for penguin, waddling with pride, sliding on icebergs in a chilly glide. Q is for quail, quick to hide, darting through brush in a feathery stride. R is for rabbit, hopping non-stop, nibbling clover till it flop, flop, flops. Flop, flops. S is for sunflower, stretching so tall, turning its face to the sun's warm call. T is for turtle, slow and steady, carrying its home wherever it's ready. U is for unicorn, mythical grace, prancing through dreams in a glittery place. V is for violet, blooming in dew, painting the meadows in a soft purple hue. W is for whale, singing deep songs, spouting a fountain where it belongs. X is for X-ray fish, see-through and shy, darting through rivers as they glide by. Y is for yak, sturdy and stout, climbing high mountains with a hearty shout. Z is for Zeppelin,